Happy Tuesday to everyone, worldwide, nationwide, and to the different countries that living in this world, in this earth, to those people that we are belong in the different countries, in the different nationalities that what we have. So I'm making my breakfast because I'm alone here in the kitchen. So I try to make this one tinapay. It's a cold bread or just flour, salt, oil, and water. Ayan yun yung parang lumulobo siya ng ano. So that is the result. So now I try for the second, what's that? I make for the second cook. You see? That's the main reason that I don't want to be cook, to have a skill in cooking because really I don't we have no talent kumbaga pa sa cooking. Okay. Kaya ganito lang yung ano ko, ganito lang yung i-try ko lang naman. Good morning. Kumbaga yan try ko lang siya ulit kung anong magiging resulta. Yan. Try lang naman natin. Try ko lang kung anong magiging resulta ulit. Hindi na yata siya okay. So now, obserbahan. Kung anong magiging siya. Lumulobo. Ayan nakita nyo? Anong tawag nito? Hindi, puri, parang puri rin kasi ang talaga nila nito pag gumawa mga Indian o mga Arabian sa mantika o parang ipiprito sa mantika, ipapalutang sa maraming mantika siya. Kaya ganun. Kaya ayan siya ganun yun diba? Kita nyo? Tapos try natin baliktad. Ayan diba? Ginaganon yan nila Masarap to, malambot. Masarap at saka malambot siya. Ewan ko kung anong resulta na naman ito. Okay? So that's all. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Keep safe lagi. At saka ingat-ingat. Ingat-ingat lagi. Ingat-ingat. To all my mga families. Angkan to angkan. Both side of my mother and my father. To my amo. To their family. Both side ni sir and ni madam. And si Sisi, may mga nieces, mga sister-in-laws, may isang brother ko na lang na naiiwan. Because my younger brother, so but I'm telling is passed away already. So to all, angkan both side ni nanay and ni tatay, both isla. Happy alumni to my hometown and to Happy Fiesta soon, and Happy Fiesta also in our neighbor neighbor, what's that, baryo. Oh, ayan na siya. Oh. Kulang din yata. Ito kulang lang, hindi lang siya talaga maayos na pagkagawa ko. Oh, okay. Okay, at least maluluto rin yun at magiging sa pagkain ko for my breakfast. Okay, so thank you again. And to all some vlogger that you are still supporting for me from the beginning, that what I have until now, the subscriber from you subscribe me from the beginning and one until now, that what I have not subscriber, don't forget to subscribe to watch my Simple channel, that what I have my old videos and my short videos. Thank you so much for the support. To those also people that you are not supported, thank you so much. And to all viewers and not viewers that you are still connected in social media, daghang salamat talaga, and God bless us all, and ingat. Thank you, Lord, for everything that what we have, and God will provide everything what we have in our daily life that we are still living in this earth. Thank you to assist to my journey. Oh, ayan siya, oh. Lumulubo siya, oh. Lumulubo talaga siya pag ano. Okay, so thank you, and bye. Bye-bye.